Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. 75 grams of protein without any protein powder, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, super creamy, super delicious, super healthy, peanut butter, chocolate mousse, made with chickpeas, but tastes like a peanut butter flavored mousse chocolat. So powerful, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas.
Drain.
Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with half a cup of peanut butter. Half a cup of cocoa powder. A cup of dates. And a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it and it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super powerful chocolate mousse. Thanks for watching.